Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 1981 to 1993 Ram 150. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the truck cab to create working clearance. Remove any lines or brackets from the work area. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear cab mount by cutting its retaining rivets. Clear the rivet holes with a hammer and punch. If the frame section where this mount is installed is damaged or rusted, install a repair kit now. Step 4. Paint the part with rust-inhibiting top coat prior to installation. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, use the included hardware to install the mount. The bolts require a 9/16 socket. The nuts require a 9/16 wrench. Finally, if any other parts were removed to install a frame repair kit, install their replacements or reinstall them at this time. Reinstall the fuel lines and any other lines or brackets that were uninstalled. If not reinstalled earlier, reinstall the fuel tank at this time, then lower and reinstall the cab.